Hi! Welcome at this Miggy instruction video. In this video we will explain the basics about our portal. At the active locations you can see the locations which you have set for your company. You can view as list or on a map. At the employees menu, you can see the active user accounts. You can add or edit accounts and change passwords. Companies is where you can set client accounts. This is only visible if you have a reseller account. The asset menu is where your applications reside. Depending on your subscription and settings, you can have one or multiple applications. At the My Details menu, you can set your company details and add your company logo. The asset menu with your applications will be the main menu where you will be working at. Let's check the track and trace application. Here you can see your assets and their sensor data. You can view the locations on a map to see their actual location. By clicking on the arrow at the right of the entry, you can view details of that asset. Besides the generic info and picture, you can see the geofence settings and the location history. You can view those on a map and you can set the time span of the history. Follow the next steps when logging for the first time. At first login, go to My Details, to check and complete your company details. Complete missing or incomplete data. Enter your company VAT number and billing address. Select the responsible employee. If not available here, go to the employee section and create one. You can change the default logo to your own. We recommend a file with a transparent background. Click Save. You can check and change your credentials at the Employees menu. You can add a phone number. Change the role as desired. You can also change the login name. Here you can change your password. You can select which applications are visible for each user. Click Save. The Locations menu is where you set your company locations, such as headquarters or logistic hubs. You can add a new location. Name it. Fill out the location address. Select the responsible person, and a location type. To create a virtual fence, select Determine Perimeter. This setting is used when creating geofences for assets. You can set pins by clicking at a location on the map. You can drag a pin to change. You can remove a single point, or start all over again by removing all points. Do not set the fence too small, as this can trigger false alarms. We advise a minimum diameter of 500 meters. Click Save. To create a new asset, click the plus button. Enter a name you can recognize later on. Copy the unique identifier from the list you received, or scan the QR code. Set a date of first use. Optionally, you can set a maintenance schedule. We advise to enter the device serial number in the external reference box. You can upload a picture of the asset. Select an asset type from the list, or create one. Click Save. You can set alarms on assets, for example on geofences of when movement is detected. Select the asset you like to edit. Select the pencil icon to configure. Go to Rules. Press the plus button to add a new rule. Set a name. Select the interval. Enter a mail address of mobile phone number where notifications will be sent to. Select the rule type, in this case we select geofence. Click Save. The fence which you have set in the Locations menu is now active. To set an alarm on movement, select Interrupt. Set the operator as equal to. Set the value to 1. This means when movement is detected, there will be an alert. Click Save. That's it. You are now set to get smarter.